Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of a new necklace which I got it from a company called Shenzhen Tianya Packaging, which reached out to me and asked I would be interested in reviewing one of their necklace, and you can actually purchase these right on the Amazon, which where I got mine. And I'm obsessed with the small and simple lightweighted jewelry, and this is perfect for me. And this is what it looks like inside the box, and it's the package. I have to absolutely talk about the package is so amazing. And there is another package inside the box as well. This is to protect the necklace, and this is very amazing. We should talk about the box. It is very luxurious and fancy looking one. If you want to give someone, you can surely go for this. This is very affordable, and it is having a nice, luxurious and fancy looking one. So everyone will think it like it's very costly, but it is in the affordable price alone. You can get it in Amazon, and this is coming from China, so it might take a little bit longer than as usual time. So order it prior to the celebration so you can gift them on the right time. And once again, thank you to Zen and Tiana for sending this over to me. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing and review, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.